So this is a problem. The form, right? Look at this. I have space. I have space here. I have space here. I have space here. And I have space here. If I was to try to get this as straight as I can right up to the edge, right? The problem is, as straight as that form is from the side, I have a little bit of space here, and then I still have this hitch, right? This form right here gets in the way. So as you build the acrylic, it has to jump over the form. This area here, that's why I'm always like, you have to try to keep it as clear as you possibly can. That way, when you build the acrylic can go onto the form without any interference at all. You could take the back end of this if you decided that you wanted to. You could just, like, it already has a straight edge. You don't have to cut anything, right? You could just fit that right there, right? If I have a straight edge, then look at that, right? That's going to lay right there underneath on top of the skin. And then it's going to give you the ability to come down and wrap that. And you can see, like, really, really close, it almost lays underneath, right? You have freedom, right? So as you build the acrylic out onto the nail, there's no hitch. It's not going to get hitched up. What's going to end up happening, it's going to build straight up onto the nail.